Assessment finds. 1. The thing I need to buy for my new apartment when I have to $50,000. Euro pension $100,000. Lamp $25,000. Bouquet $115,000. Calculator $800,000. Euro piano $85,000. Teamwork. When you spend it. Buy your trays for $100,000. Well, I don't want to buy a used trays. How about buying a new one? But it costs lots. Why don't we buy trays? Land. Let's buy land to line up for $25,000. I like bigger land than this one. Why not buy it? Bookcase. Why don't we buy a bouquet to hold it? That's a good idea. Computer. Why don't we buy a computer to make it easier to work? I don't know. I don't like using computer because I have a phone. That's a good idea.